Hello everyone, today I record this video for you because I just released this new feature, linked field record. So it's a feature that has been used massively by some of our TypeFlow users, but today I want to release it for anyone to ease your life when you want to generate documents. So sometimes when you want to generate a document, you want to have access to fields from another table. So for example, in this use case, in the contract table, you have this linked record, university, where I want to have access to fields from the table universities. Here I have many information that could be useful if I want to generate contract. So many of you use lookup fields, and it's a good idea, but when you have, let's say, 40 fields from another table to import in your main table, it's not really sustainable. So that's why we decided to fix this issue to make sure that each of your table stays clean in Airtable. So how does it work? When you go to TypeFlow, you map your data as you would do for classic variable, let's say, and then when you want to have access to fields from another table, what you need to do is to reference the linked record, so in my case, university. So automatically, as you can see, we are going to use the primary field from the university table. So here, if I go to universities, we are going to reference to this field. Now, let's say I want to have access to the postal code. So how can I do that? I'm clicking here and I can select postal code. So now, whenever I'm going to generate a PDF, I will have access to the postal code from the university table. So now let's say I want to access to a field from a linked record of a linked record. So it's possible. So how you can do that? You can select a linked record. So for example, features. In the features, I can go to used in contract here. Automatically it's going to select the primary field, and from there I can go and select another field from this table. And if you have again another linked record from another table, you can reference fields from this table. So you can go really deep until tree level. So let's finish the mapping. Now the mapping is over. Let's generate a document. So I have already imported TypeFlow to Airtable. Now I can generate a PDF, so I'm going to remove them. So the PDF is done. As you can see, all the information has been filled correctly. And now you make sure that your table isn't polluted by rollup field just to generate PDF. So I hope this feature will be helpful for you in the future. Feel free to reach out to me if you need any help.